Class 9th Geography, lesson number 1, India, size and location. So class 9, now we are going to start our lesson number 1, India. In this chapter, you are going to learn about the size and location of our country, that is India. As all of you know that India is a very vast country and it is also known as agricultural country because its main occupation or its economy is depend on agriculture. Now, the second point is it is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. It means India is sharing ancient civilization, one of the ancient civilization in the world. As the other civilization you know about, like Mesopotamian civilization, Chinese civilization, and Egyptian civilization. All these are the ancient civilizations of the world, and in India, Indian civilization, that is known as Indus Valley civilization, is also the ancient civilization of the world. Now, the third point is it has also contributed to the making of world history. So as all of you know that, like the other civilizations, Mesopotamian, Egyptian and Chinese civilization, Indian civilization, that is Indus Valley civilization, also contributes its part in the making of world history. Now, next point is it has occupied significant position in the world due to its size and location, as the India is the country of many diversities. So, and through its size and location also it contributes its significant position, or it occupied significant position in the world. Now, our next topic is location. In this topic, we are going to know about the location of the India, not in the words with the geographical contents, means with the latitudinal and longitudinal definitions. So, the India is located in the northern hemisphere. As you know that India is located in the northern hemisphere of the earth, and it is a part of the Asia continent. So now next point we are going to know about the location, exact location of India on the earth. The exact location of the India on the earth is mainly defined or derived by the latitudes and longitudes. So it is located latitudes 8 degree 4 north and 37 degree 6 north, means it is the latitudinal location of India, and the longitudinal location of India is 68 degree 7 east and 97 degree 25 east. So these are the latitudinal and longitudinal locations of India. First of all, through the map, I am going to describe you this. Now, this is the map. You are seeing the map of India. It is a political map of India. Now, the first term is latitude. So, first of all, you have to know about the latitude. Latitudes are the vertical imaginary lines on the earth. In class 2nd, you had already know about the latitudes. The latitudes are the vertical imaginary lines on the earth. These are not the definite or defined lines on the earth. These are the only imaginary lines on the earth. But the vertical lines, the vertical section in which the earth is divided, are the latitudes, and the longitudes are the horizontal imaginary lines on the earth, means these are also the imaginary lines but their position is horizontal, and latitudinal position is vertical. So now it is clear that latitudes are vertical lines and longitudes are horizontal lines. Now through map I am going to tell you this. Now from the Gujarat, the first point of the Gujarat and up to the last point here in the east, from the west to east, the latitudinal value or the latitudinal extent of India is 8 degree 4 north and 37 degree 6 north. This is the latitudinal extent of India. Now I am going to tell you about the longitudinal extent of India. Now see, the horizontal line from the first point northern first point up to the south, from the till north to the south. This is the longitudinal extent of India, and its value is 68 degree 7 east and 97 degree 25 east. These are the latitudes and longitudes of India. So whenever you are going to locate the position of India, you have to write the latitudes and longitudes of India. Now, and when we are going to know about the India area wise, so the area wise in the position of India, area wise is from north to south it is 3214 kilometer, and from east to west it is 2933 kilometer. Now you are seeing one middle line in the middle of the map. Now this middle line, this vertical middle line is the Tropic of Cancer. As all of you know that Earth is divided into two equal halves by the equator, and the northern hemisphere has the Tropic of Cancer and the southern hemisphere have the Tropic of Capricorn. So this Tropic of Cancer is also passes from India, and approximately from the center of India. As you see that this is the Madhya Pradesh, the center of India, and you are seeing this line Tropic of Cancer passes from the Madhya Pradesh, means the middle part of the India, approximately middle of the India. And as you know, I am going to tell you that this line is also passes from the city of Bhopal. Any N means in Madhya Pradesh, this line is passes from the city of Bhopal, and this line Tropic of Cancer covers the states. Which states? The name of states is Gujarat. See this. This is passes from Gujarat, some part from Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, then West Bengal, and then Tripura. So it covers the states Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, West Bengal, and Tripura. Now, our next topic is the India has two seas. If in the west it is Arabian Sea, and in the east it is the Bay of Bengal. And India also have a group of islands. One is Lakshadweep Islands in the west, and second one is Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the east. Now we are discussing about the size. Area wise, as you know that area wise India occupies the 7th largest country of the world, and it occupies about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. And for this 2.4% of the total geographical area, India is the 7th largest country of the world. That is why India is 7th largest country of the world. Now area wise, from north to south it covers 3214 kilometers, and from east to west it covers 2933 kilometers. But there is a gap and this gap from east to west or west to east creates 2 hours time duration gap between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat. Due to this, there is a 2 hours time duration. Due to this gap, there is a difference of 2 hours time between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat. This difference creates 2 hours time delay between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh. That means the sun rises 2 hours before the Gujarat. Okay. Now, the land boundary of India is about 15,200 kilometers. This is the total land boundary of India, that is about 15,200 kilometer. And whenever we talk about the coastlines, the coastline boundary